Hey grade 7s, it's Mr. DC coming at you with another tutorial video. A little difference this time is I'm actually wearing a headset with a microphone on, so hopefully I sound nice and smooth for this. So here we have a triangular prism, and we're going to find the volume and surface area of this sucker. So here we go. So let's start with the volume. So remember that the volume we learned is the area of the base times the height. And in our case, we are looking at the area of a triangle. That's going to be our base in this case here. And the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So let's start that here. So my volume, base times height divided by 2. And we're going to multiply that. We have to multiply by not just the height in our case, but we're looking at the length between the two triangular faces. And it looks like that'll be 9 centimeters. So I'm going to put an L instead to say the length of the prism. So let's start off with triangle, base times height divided by 2. Base is 8 centimeters. Multiply that by 6 centimeters. We'll divide that by 2. And we'll multiply it by the length. Our length here is 9 centimeters. So we'll put that there. Now, for the area of the base, I do want to do this first. So let's go ahead and do that. So area of the base, 8 times 6, that's 48. And then divide it by 2. So 48 divided by 2, 24 square centimeters. Oh, no, yeah, square centimeters. And then we multiply that by our 9 centimeters. So 24 times 9 comes out to 216 cubic centimeters. Now, just keep in mind here that all our units are in centimeters, so that means our volume will be in cubic centimeters, and it also means that our surface area, when we get there, will be in centimeters squared, the 3 and the 2. Now you're probably wondering why is there squared here? Well, that's because I took a centimeter, multiplied it by another centimeter, that gives me squared, and then the third one comes in, and that gives you the third one for the volume. Alrighty, moving right along. Let's go for the surface area. So surface area. Now the first thing I want to do when I do the surface area is I need to look at the different sides of my prism. So the first thing I'm going to look at is we're going to say side 1 is the triangular side. And then with the prism, we're going to look at the rectangular sides. So there's 3 of them, and they're all unique. So we're going to say that the slanted one here is number 2. The base is going to be number 3. And our side one here, almost acting like a wall, will be number 4. So the first thing we'll do here is the area of 1. So the area is equal to base times height divided by 2, which is 8 times 6 divided by 2. 8 times 6, 48, divided by 2 is 24 square centimeters. Now bear in mind, since we have a triangular prism, the two triangular faces are congruent. So we have to multiply that by 2 to account for the second one. That's on the far side. 24 times 2, 48 square centimeters. All right, moving along here, let's go to area 2. Area 2 is the slant rectangle that you see there. So if I look at the diagram, That rectangle is done by taking 9 centimeters and multiplying it by 10 centimeters. So that's how we're going to go about doing that. So the area is going to be length times width, which is 9 times 10. And a little quick number crunching, that's 90 square centimeters. Okay. If you'd like, if you're looking at the area, say for 1 or 2, put a little 1, little 2, to say that's the area of side 2, area of side 1. All right, let's move along here to area 3. So the area of that guy, which we'll say is area 3, that is going to be the base. So that is 9 centimeters times 8 centimeters. Once you've used length times width once, you don't need to use it again. You can just go ahead, throw your numbers in. So 9 times 8, 72 square centimeters, because we're doing area. And similarly, we'll do that for number 4. So again, the area for 4, we put that there. 4th is the wall that looks like it's on the one of the sides of my right triangle. It's on the far side there. So that'll be 6 centimeters times 9 centimeters, which 6 times 9 in the calculator if you need it, 54 square centimeters. All right, so now that I have the area of all relevant sides, I can add them all together. Okay, so we're going to take all these 4 and add them all the way up. So my total surface area, SA, is going to be 48 centimeters squared plus 90 centimeters squared plus 72 plus 54. Okay, and then a quick number crunch for that one. That comes out to 264 centimeters squared. Okay, so pretty lengthy, but as long as you're following each step, you should be in good shape. That's it for me. Good luck. Rock on, my friends. And don't forget to like and subscribe.